Okay, let's dive in. Building your first circuit might seem tough, but it's all about a few simple rules.
Even the pros mess up. So think of this explainer as your second set of eyes on the basics.
First up, what is a circuit? It's just a closed loop, like a racetrack for electricity to travel and do stuff.
And why should you care? Well, this is the gateway to understanding pretty much all modern technology. Every builder needs a blueprint. In electronics, that's your schematic. It's the language of how everything connects.
So a pictorial diagram shows what it looks like, but a schematic, that shows how it actually works.
And the most important rule in the book, Ohm's law. It's the key relationship between voltage, current, and resistance.
And this is how those rules look on paper. These blueprints are going to guide your entire build. Seriously. Okay, so where do we actually build this thing? On a breadboard. It's perfect for testing ideas without any soldering. So how's it work? Inside, metal clips connect the holes. The horizontal rows connect your parts. The vertical rails supply power. All right, we've all been there. Your circuit isn't working. So, what went wrong? Let's check the usual suspects.
Honestly, it's usually something simple. A wire in the wrong hole, a part in backward, or a loose connection.
And please keep your wiring neat. A tidy board is easy to debug. A rat's nest? Good luck finding anything.
When you just can't see the problem, it's time to bring in the detective, your multimeter.
But be careful. The most common mistakes? Probes in the wrong ports, or the dial set to the wrong thing. Ever see 1 or OL on the screen? It means overload, and it's a super common, easy fix.
It just means your range is set too low. All you got to do is turn the dial to a higher value.
Okay, this is so important. For voltage, you connect in parallel. But for current, you have to connect in series.
Right. Measuring current means you literally have to break the circuit and stick the multimeter right in the middle.
Okay, before we wrap up, let's talk safety. It takes surprisingly little electricity to be dangerous, just 16 milliamps.
Just look at this. You can see how little current it takes for really serious effects. Safety is non-negotiable. So, the golden rules. Always disconnect the power before you make changes, and keep your workspace clean and dry.
And the most important habit of all, connect to power last, always. It's the final step, no exceptions. So you've got the blueprint, the tools, and the rules. You're ready. The only question left is, what will you build?